Ever wondered if you can stream IPTV on your Roku TV seamlessly and without hassle? Let's explore this exciting possibility by understanding the mechanics of IPTV integration on Roku. First, ensure that you have a compatible IPTV service handy, like the top-notch 2TV.store. Once your IPTV service is ready, power up your Roku TV and navigate to the home screen. Now, navigate to the Roku channel store. This is your gateway to endless channel possibilities. Search for a reliable IPTV player app, like IPTV Smarters, to start your installation process. Ready for action? Click to download and install the IPTV app directly onto your Roku device. With the app installed, open it and be prepared to enter your IPTV account details. Access your account details from 2TV.store. They provide seamless, user-friendly onboarding experiences. Enter your account login details into the IPTV app, ensuring everything is precisely as provided. And just like that, your Roku TV transforms into an IPTV powerhouse, brimming with entertainments. Now you can enjoy endless streaming possibilities, from global shows to live sports, all in one place. Elevate your experience by exploring more features that IPTV integration offers on your Roku TV. For a top-tier IPTV experience, 2TV.store offers unparalleled service with their innovative features. Experience carefree streaming with fast support, reliable service, and vast channel options offered by 2TV.store. Revolutionize your home entertainment. Explore IPTV on Roku and enjoy unmatched viewing experiences today.